No, Chang. And there's food over there. I'm just being nice to you that not talking anymore because it's gonna go cause argument. honey, you spoiled him. Parang ganun. Parang nahirapan siyang huminga. And nag-alala ako kasi yun, maraming tumatawag ngayon sa kanya. Mga cousins niya na mga andun sa California.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hey, come here. Put that down. I'll show you something. Don't over here because there's food. I barbecue it, look. And then I decided to, it's nice barbecue, right? I decided to like cook it like adobo kind of thing. Barbecue adobo. What's the fun? Is it work? You take a lot? Han, not over here. Han, did you take a lot of dirt?
No, I took what was there.
He get, hold on guys, he get something. Hold on. Look. It's a kind of like twisted to clean up the, what is that?
Duck.
Duck?
Duck.
Ducks?
Yeah.
Hans, pronounce it. Duck.
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 D-U-C-T.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Duck. Duck. Duck. Okay guys, so I think that's good enough, right? Because it's pretty close from over there to her, to the laundry area.
We changed all the piping.
There's dirt, but it's not crazy. Yes. Lutuin lang natin siya ng lutuin hanggang maluti. Look. Yeah. Look at this husband, guys. He is so mean. He keeps saying, yeah. Are you gonna bring the junk? Yeah.
Yeah.
No junk. And there's food over there. I'm just being nice to you that not talking anymore because it's gonna go cause argument.
Right.
Right?
Right. My stuff. I'll bring my stuff.
You
I'll
bring
worry
your
about it.
stuff.
It's here. I'm not.
Okay. Talk to me. Why are you so mean to me?
That means.
Why are you so mean? Are you gonna put that back to the box?
You gotta store it somewhere, right?
What's the name of that?
Other parts.
What's the name of that? And what is this?
Those are over the ductwork.
To put it?
Yeah. If you're running like a blower or something like that, so you don't.
Put everything over there because I
Use
don't want
other
anything
parts
over
for
here.
it.
Okay, put everything over there.
You have a little Ziploc bag?
Little ziploc right here. Ang daming paminta. Huwag natin kalimutan yung paminta, guys. Kasi yun yung nagdagdag. Talaga, para sa akin yung paminta, yung dagdag sarap. And ito lang yung kakainin namin, guys. Ito at saka broccoli. And time check, guys. It is 6:39 na. Mom said, I keep tickling her, and then I just realized she's tickling hand in her armpit. And I keep tickling her, and then I'm so far. I'm far away, and I start like this, and she start laughing. She start laughing. I said, it reminds me of Thomas. Magbo-boil tayo ng broccoli. Okay guys, nagbo-boil na tong tubig dito para sa broccoli. Madali ang boil lang po ito, guys. I-boil natin madali. Pagkatapos niyan, nito ukay-ukayin. Quick boil. Hindi naman ito kailangan matagal kasi ano na, talagang itong broccoli, pwede naman itong makain hilaw. Diba? Kumakain tayo ng salad nito, i-dip na lang natin, diba? Okay na. Okay na to siya. Drain na. Tignan nga natin kung ano ginagawa ni Tami.
Masonry drill bit.
You have too many drill bits.
Yeah, I can't find any.
It's time to stir fry the konting oil lang talaga. Konti lang, guys, para sa broccoli. ilagay natin yung garlic next. Mas maganda yung maraming garlic, guys. Yeah, mas maganda yung maraming garlic. Yan, garlic. Daming garlic. And then, ang ilagay natin dito is pepper and salt. Yun lang talaga. Yun lang yung kakainin natin. Pepper and salt lang yung kakainin talaga. After this, kakain kami kasi 7:60 na. Okay, what are you doing? We're gonna eat. So, that's the one? No? Tignan nyo si Hubs. Look, Hubs. What are you doing, little man? And why you keep bringing stuff in here?
Because I need to grill and that's what I've been talking about.
What are you gonna do?
Go off for a bite.
You gonna do it tonight?
Huh?
You gonna do it tonight?
Well, that's a battery, I don't know what to charge.
So they're out there.
Okay, we're just gonna eat na soon, okay? I'm Hubs, little man. Not your butt. Not your butt. Not your. I'm poking. Poking butt.
why I'm into it.
And you spoiled him. So, ngayon, luto na si garlic. I like it when it brown, guys. Yung garlic is magba-brown. Yun, guys. And, try it like that. See? That's what you need to do, guys. Just fry it. Hot pepper. Milk. Hot dog. Hot. Don't do that. Guys. Hala, Hubs. Oy, there's something wrong with you. honey, you spoiled him. You spoiled him, baby.
Hey, little man.
Okay, guys. Ito na siya, guys. Mabilisan lang. Pasensya na, guys. Tummy is crazy. Hi, guys. Hindi na ako mag-vlog. I-end ko na tong vlog. Nakatanggap kami ng bad news. Si Tommy is andun sa basement. Anyway, ang init dito, grabe. Nakatanggap kami ng bad news. Si Tommy is wala sa sarili. Gustong umiyak na pinipigilan niya. Ganon yan siya. Yung panganay niyang kapatid. Wala na. Napatay na siya. Nawala. Hindi namin alam kung anong dahilan. Bukas na lang i-explain ko na lahat. Hindi namin alam kung anong mga pangyayari. Pero, bye guys. I-ano ko muna si Tommy. Bigyan ko ng time si Tommy, okay? Bigyan ko muna ng time. Hi guys. Bumangon lang ako kasi gusto ni Tommy matulog. Gusto niyang i-close at saka parang i-black out lahat. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, ilabas mo yan lahat yung nararamdaman mo kasi gusto niyang umiyak parang ganon, parang nahirapan siyang huminga. And nag-alala ako kasi yun, maraming tumatawag ngayon sa kanya, mga cousins niya na mga andun sa California. Ganito kasi si Tommy, yung sabi nila noon, nung nangyari din ito sa ama at saka sa kapatid niya, yung sa kapatid talaga niya, para siyang ganon din, ayaw niyang ilabas. Sabi ko, ilabas mo, it's okay. I said, you can talk to me. Pero, di ko alam guys. Never happened to me like this. Especially, yung mga family ng husband mo, family ko. God forbid, you know, knock the wood. Na ano ko, parang, di ko alam. Balitaan ko na lang kayo next. Bukas punta namin si Bianan yung problema ngayon is kapag sinabi yun, basta sabihin ko sa inyo next time guys. Anyway, ano lang ako kasi pumunta lang ako dito para kunin itong camera kasi mainit sa taas.